Do this once a week on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel, and I will take you through a guideline on what you can do on your iPhone in order to simply help it run smooth, improve your battery life, and free up storage. So first things first, you can simply go ahead and restart your iPhone, as a quick restart can clear temporary system glitches, refresh background processes, improve overall performance, and fix minor app issues. So the next one is simply open the settings application on your device and tap on general, and then on software update and install any available updates, as Apple regularly releases updates that improve security, fix bugs, and enhance performance and add new features. The next way is in settings again, tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, go ahead and remove unused apps, large videos, old downloads, and duplicate photos, as low storage can slow down your device. Also, you can simply go ahead and close apps that are not responding. You do not need to force close every app, but if an app is frozen or draining battery, simply swipe it away from the app switcher. Next, go ahead and open settings again and then tap on your name on top, and then tap on the iCloud option you see there, and then tap on iCloud backup. Now go ahead and make sure that your latest backup is completed successfully, and if not, then back your iPhone up immediately. Next, go back to settings and then tap on battery, and then check which apps are consuming the most power, and if an app is using excessive battery in the background, adjust its settings or update it. Next, you can go ahead and clean up your photos and videos. So open the Photos application and then go ahead and delete blurry photos, duplicate images, unwanted screenshots, and old screen recordings. Also, go ahead and open App Store and then go ahead and check for app updates regularly, and as developers frequently release fixes and performance improvements. Next, you can go ahead and open settings and then tap on privacy and security, and then go ahead and check for your location access, your camera access, microphone access, photos access, and contacts access once in a while. Also, open settings again and then tap on battery and then on battery health and charging, and check for your battery health condition occasionally. And if your battery health is significantly reduced, you may notice shorter battery life and slower performance. So, this was about how you can keep your iPhone fresh by following a few methods. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.